What do you think, guys? Where are we doing this bird watching? At Claudio National Park in Jim Corbett or Bharatpur? No, guys, we are doing this bird watching in Delhi NCR, around Delhi NCR with Delhi Earth Fox. So just follow my channel, follow my page so that you get to know about all these events in future. So let's take a look, guys.
Right?
Uh,
See behind.
oh, it's
At,
that close to
at
the
the
fence.
base of those reeds,
Okay.
you can see the female. अभी उल्टे होके बैठी है अरे मिली
It's on the grass or it's on the park?
नीचे on the
हाँ
ground.
मिल गई. It's just
Can you see the black plastics lying there? It's 5 feet before that, rather 10 feet before that. ये egrets.